Google finally confirms. What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. Today we'll be taking a look at exclusive Pixel 6 leaks coming from Google themselves, some exciting Galaxy S22 news, a big warning for everyone, plus more exciting news. Let's get right into it. Alright, so Google actually confirmed some details regarding the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. As we know, Google is bringing perhaps the biggest camera update in history on its flagship phone. Apart from the main sensor, the big exciting thing is that we're finally getting a 5x telephoto optical zoom lens. And Google finally confirms that this is actually happening. According to the information coming via source code of Android 12 via XDA developers, there's a line that mentions ultra tele zoom up to 5x level. Exactly what we have seen in the leaks is mentioned in the source code. Not just that, some eagle-eyed people have pointed out an incredible detail. Within the Android 12 trailer, this camera UI was shown. You can clearly notice the zoom numbers going from 0.5x to 5x. Now obviously you will be able to expand the zoom even further. These numbers are for the optical zoom level, so you get the best possible image quality. Now other than the 5x ultra tele zoom, Google also confirmed the names of the Pixel 6 family. We could see the Pixel 6 Pro called as Pixel 6 XL. Once again, as reported on xdadevelopers.com, Google casually mentions the names of their upcoming flagship phones on a developer forum. It says Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 XL. I'm not sure why they did it, probably for some hype, but if anything, this confirms that we are indeed going to see two models and the naming is not fully confirmed. So either it's going to be called as Pro or either they go with the XL name. Personally, I would love to see the Pro name because the Pixel 6 Pro is indeed a full-on Pro phone with a 5000 mAh cell, 50 megapixel main camera, along with pretty much everything you want to see on a modern flagship phone. So I think it pretty much does justice to this Pro name, but let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, some Galaxy S22 news is here. According to Ice Universe on Weibo, the code name for Exynos 2200 processor is Pamir. This is actually a mountain, so pretty interesting choice of codename word for their next big processor. As for the AMD GPU, Samsung is calling it Voyager. Now Ice Universe further confirms that it's going to be a 4nm process chip, which is a slight improvement from 5nm. Not a big jump, but still there will be some efficiency gains. Hopefully we'll see some official announcement regarding this AMD GPU for Exynos devices this month. Now moving on, we have a big warning for pretty much everyone out there, every tech brand. According to the world's largest chip manufacturer TSMC, the global chip shortage could continue till next year. Many top brands including Apple, Qualcomm and AMD, they depend a lot on TSMC, so this is definitely going to impact the future products. Now TSMC is trying their best to combat this. They have spent a lot of dollars building new facilities in China as well as in USA. Let's hope and see if they can turn things around. So that's all the latest news. Google confirms the key stuff regarding the Pixel 6 family. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you guys are new here, I really appreciate if you can subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.